Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to the channel. Today we are coming to you from the Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital located here in Kumasi, Ashanti Regional Capital. Today we are showing you the famous 44-year-old maternity and children's block, which is being reconstructed after so many years of construction. To give a brief history of the project, construction of the Maternity and Children's Block project began in 1976 as part of the Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital expansion project, but this came to a standstill in 1979. It was reactivated in 1999 under the administration of the first president of the Fourth Republic, John Rawlings, but again stalled shortly afterward. In 2004, the administration of the second president of the Fourth Republic, John Agyekum Kufuor, took it up, but soon after his departure from office in January 2009, work on this project was discontinued. The President of the Republic, Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, on Friday 15 June 2020 cut the sword for the reactivation of work for the construction of the 44-year-old maternity and children's
Ghana berekum. Na haya wabayi wanyama bibiri nyama started with angle grinders. Angle grinders ne what types bibiri. We see in the main fan sense and juma form. Welders, carpenters, traitors, plumbers. Mason for ubia use the angle grinders and so your types ni your kitwa. Also the Oba Yantre Emmanuel Enterprise to KATH-Kumasi.
The project, which is being funded by German bank Deutsche Bank, will cost 155 million euros and is expected to be completed within 36 months, with the construction being undertaken by a contractor. As it stands right now, it is almost 31 months since the project began and is left with about 5 months to go. Currently looking at the progress of work from this area video that you are viewing right now, you can see a lot has been done. Once completed, President Akufo-Addo stated that the Maternity and Children's Block will be a state-of-the-art modern health edifice with pediatrics, gynecology, and obstetrics units. It will serve as a referral center for 12 of the 16 regions of our country. It will be a 750-bed building with outpatient areas for adults and children, and it will have 10 operating theaters and diagnostic rooms, fully equipped with X-ray, ultrasound, and mammography facilities, he said. I believe that when this project is completed, it's going to serve its purpose, and it's a very massive and great project. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You see a notification bell, click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. And please don't forget to watch our videos, and please make sure to share our work for others to watch.